Hello everyone. We are discussing some basic programs, basic Python programs for beginners, and here we are discussing a basic EMI calculator formula. EMI calculator formula, and here we will calculate EMI on the basis of this particular formula. So the standard formula to calculate an equated monthly installment EMI based on compound interest principal is this. So you need principal rate and N, which is given by time, and divided by 1 plus R raised to the power of N minus 1. We gave this homework to one of our students, and then we calculate this. So first you will calculate your principal, rate and time. Enter the rate of interest the bank is charging per annum in percentage. P is the total amount borrowed and T is the number of years. So this is basically simple input PRT. Now if P or R or T, if any one of them is 0, you will say invalid input. If that's the case, like if rate is 0, time is 0 or principal is not given, so you will say it is 0. Okay. Else, the first thing is to find monthly interest rate, and monthly interest rate will be given by your annual rate divided by 12 into 100. Okay. So this will be your monthly interest rate. Then N, the total number of monthly payments, will be given by T into 12. This is how N is calculated, the total number of monthly payments. Obviously, suppose you have taken loan for 2 years, so you will pay total of 24 monthly payments. So T into 12, 2 into 12. If R is 0, that is your monthly interest rate that is calculated by this formula. If it is 0, the EMI formula is principal divided by N, whatever principal is there, because you are not charging monthly interest rate, so simply it will become P by N, total amount divided by total number of months. But if it is not 0, so we are just writing else. So here you can see nested. So first if and else, and inside that if there is another if and else. Okay, nested. So you are writing the same thing, P into R into 1 plus R, P into R into 1 plus R, which is in brackets, raised to the power of N divided by 1 plus R raised to the power of N and minus 1, not N minus 1, but 1 plus R raised to the power of N will be calculated first and then minus 1. If you want to make sure, you can, obviously in Python there is order of precedence, but you can do this also, like you calculate 1 plus R raised to the power of N plus, then you divide it, or then you subtract it by minus 1. The monthly EMI will be EMI, but total amount paid will be EMI into N. If we say 1,20,000, let's say 10%, number of years, let's say we are taking for 2 years, so it will be 5537.39. total amount paid will be this much. A simple EMI calculator formula.